What's up guys? It's your girl Em and I'm back with another video for you today. And today I'm going to show you how I make my egg salad. So here are the ingredients. I have 4 hard-boiled eggs. I have dill, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder. I have some mayonnaise. I use the olive oil mayonnaise. You could use vegan mayonnaise. And then I also have yellow mustard. And I'm going to also take a little bit of pickle juice out of this jar for this recipe. And then my fixins to go on my little egg salad sandwich is gonna be spinach, tomato, and my all-time favorite, pickled red onion. And maybe I'll do a video if you guys would like me to do a video on how I make my pickled red onions. I can, but it's basically just equal parts water, apple cider vinegar, and regular vinegar, like white distilled vinegar, and then some sugar and a little bit of ground ginger. So very tasty. And instead of bread, I'm going to be using a bagel because I prefer bagels. So I have an everything bagel in the oven getting ready to be toasted. All right, so first things first, let's talk about the hard-boiled eggs. Simplest thing you can do. All you really need to do when you're hard-boiling the eggs is I put them in before they come to a boil. So I fill it up with water and then I put the eggs in. Once they come to a boil, I add the salt. And I let them boil for about 11 to 12 minutes. Once they come out of the hot water, once they're like finished boiling, what I do is I put them in an iced cold water bath and run cold water on them continuously so it stops the cooking. It's a little tip, it helps you peel the eggs easier. Now, I boiled these the other day, so they've been sitting in the refrigerator, but let me just go ahead and start peeling. I am a huge fan of egg salad. I know a lot of people, you know, they have mixed feelings about egg salad, but I love it. You could also substitute the mayonnaise for a plain yogurt. That is really, really good, let me tell you. I'm a huge fan. But see how easy the egg has peeled off just because, and also I used fresh eggs. So you want to try to use fresh eggs. That helps too. Put this here. And I'm just gonna keep on peeling my eggs. I'm gonna give them a quick little rinse just to make sure all of the shell is off. You don't want a shelly egg salad. And there we have it. All right. First things first. Smash the eggs. I like to get a good smash on them before I add my ingredients. And you can do more eggs. This is just the amount that I had. I actually I boiled 6, but I ended up eating 1 and Vaughn ended up eating 1. So here we are. You don't have to smash them up a whole bunch, but I like to get a decent smash going. Kind of break that egg up. So we're gonna add mayonnaise. Let me grab a spoon real quick. I'm just gonna add a big glop of it to start out with and kind of mix it all together. I like to add things like little by little, because if you add too much at once, you might end up being a little, you know, frustrated. Because you might end up adding too much and you can't really take back too much. So I just add a little at a time. Gonna add a little more. Now you could add onion, you could add celery, you could add anything you wanted to this egg salad. You could add carrots. This looks good. About 2 healthy scoops of mayonnaise. That looks really good. And I'm not a mayonnaise fan, but an egg salad, that is fine. That looks pretty good. Once it looks like nice and creamy, and then you're gonna add your mustard. And the mustard is really what brings the color. And it gives it like a little bit of a tartness. Now you can make it hotter and you could add like horseradish if you like. Just if you're like kind of crazy, you could add like a Dijon mustard, but I just like the plain yellow mustard and it gives it that like bright neon egg salad color. You could put onion in the egg salad itself, but since I'm a pickled onion person, I like to just do the pickled onions on top. Like I said, this is a very, very basic recipe. We'll take some pepper. Some salt. Mix that up. Now it's time for some garlic powder. I put garlic in everything. I really honestly do. Don't know if you're supposed to. I put onion powder in everything. Don't know if you're supposed to, but this is how I live. And once I add each spice, I want to give it like a good mix. Add like 2 spices at a time, I guess. Right, some paprika. It's kind of like if you were doing like deviled eggs. I love deviled eggs. And dill. And dill is also one of my favorite spices. I use dill a lot. Some people don't like dill. My friend Rachel doesn't like dill. Now I'm gonna take my dill pickle juice. A little bit of pickle juice. Gives it a little vinegary, gives it a little bit of acid. Perfection. And that's how it looks. It looks amazing. Now I'm going to broil my bagel. This is ready to go. This egg salad is ready to go. Now, if you are living a low carb lifestyle, you don't need to do a bagel or bread. It would be really, really great with just some spinach, some pickled onion, and the tomato. So you don't have to do the bread or bagel or anything like that. You can simply just eat it, or just eat it plain, honestly, because it's phenomenal. So I'm gonna let that broil. I'm gonna cut up my tomato. And I have been loving my new knives. So I'm just gonna get a good slice of tomato. Maybe 2. And you know, if you're really trying to be a little sinful, add some bacon. Add some bacon. Add some bacon to anything and it's gonna be good, but such a good tomato. My spinach. Let me grab a plate. I clean up a little bit and I'm gonna wait for my bagel to toast and I'll be right back. All right, my perfectly toasted bagel. Gonna add my cream cheese. Gonna add my egg salad right onto the bagel. Now you could do like an open face sandwich situation if you'd like, but I'm gonna do a full sandwich. All right. Let's add some spinach. I love spinach. You could do lettuce too, but I prefer spinach. I prefer like a more leafy green. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna actually add some onto this side. So my tomato and my red onions stick together. Stick to it. Adhere to it. Do some red onions. Now I put pickled red onions on salads too. They're really good on a lot of different things. And they just add a nice crunch. All right, and there we go. Ooh. Oh, the egg salad is just coming out. Look at that. Delicious. Now you could add some like more mayo to the bagel or bun or whatever you use. You could add more mustard, but this is perfect for me. Now let me do a taste test. All right guys, so moment of truth. I'm gonna try this egg salad bagel situation. Let's take a bite. I just made the biggest mess ever. But I love egg salad. Look at my face. This is a good review. It literally came out everywhere. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. Let me know what you think. Do you like egg salad? I love egg salad. Be sure to follow my Twitter at @MMan and my Instagram at @MidwestManFilm. I need to clean up and grab a fork to eat what spilled out, but I will see you guys in the next video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Love you. Mwah.